Is that going?
Yeah.
Okay, Kerry, thanks for coming today. So why are you interested in the graduate program here at Pfizer?
Well, I've always had like an interest in studying diseases and helping to prevent or to aid in treatment and diseases.
Okay.
Yeah.
Brilliant. And so do you know what goes on in Pfizer and Grange Castle here?
I know there's a lot of research to help to create products and
Yeah.
medicines to help with the treatment, cures or prevention of
Yeah.
diseases.
Very good, yeah. So the main, it's a mainly research and development, as you said, and it's focuses on a couple of different diseases: cardiovascular disease, cancer, and Parkinson's. So the main product would be either drugs, vaccines, or they also do a lot of syringe production as well, filled with medicines to treat disease. So if you were to apply for this, it's a graduate program and you'd get 2 years experience in a couple of different aspects of that. So, you know, what have you learned so far? What course are you studying here at the moment?
I'm studying pre-university science.
Okay. And what have you done so far that might help you in this particular role?
Well, I've done lots of things in a lot of different modules.
Yeah.
I've learned how to use a spectrometer.
Okay.
Using automated pipette fillers.
Yeah, pipettes, yeah.
And just different equipment that I wouldn't have used when I was doing in secondary school.
Okay, so they would obviously, automated pipettes are a crucial part of any scientist's job, and you would be using them frequently if you were in a lab here as well, so that's good. And you've there will be quite a focus on microbiology here, so have you learnt any skills in micro that you think might be applicable as well?
We've learnt aseptic techniques and different, how to use an autoclave.
Okay, and what's involved in an aseptic technique?
How to prevent any kind of bacteria or growing on whatever you're using working with in the experiments, so it won't make a fault.
Brilliant.
When you're
excellent. Very good. Okay, and so do you know anything about the different types of values Pfizer focus on?
I know they do a lot of collaboration.
Yeah.
There's a lot of integrating work.
Yeah.
And performance.
Yeah, is another one. Yes, they have. There's a lot of them there, but that's a couple of them. And so I suppose that's what they would look at for in a potential employee. And do you have any kind of experience from work or from hobbies that think might help you in those kind of categories? So in collaborating with people, what do you think you could bring?
I work in my job. I work with like 5 or 6 different people each day, so I know how it is to work with a team. And I also know how to work by myself some days.
Okay.
And like there can be quite stressful times like when we're working, so I know how to kind of breathe and then do whatever is required.
Okay, so in conflict resolution or any sort of pressure situations, I suppose.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So how are you guys working as part of a team then?
I like to work with a team. I find it much better because I like separating different work, and it's not all kind of based on you. You get to help each other and then all come together at the end of the day and show what you've done.
Yeah.
And build up from that.
And in terms of problem solving, if problems arise, how are you dealing with problems as they come up?
I'd like to see, sometimes I let someone else take charge, but if I feel if there's like a problem and no one really wants to, like I will do it myself and kind of stand up and say what I think we need to do. But I won't always be like the first person to do it. But if I feel like no one else is gonna,
you can contribute, yeah. So if you were working in Pfizer, you'd have to follow a lot of protocols. For example, they'd be very regimented because they're working to produce a drug that's going to be used for a disease, and it would all have to be quite standardized. So how do you find following protocols in the lab? Do you find, are you good at sticking to them, or like how do you find kind of doing that?
I find it okay. Like I prefer having like something to read, and so I know what to do, because then I know there's less of a risk or less chance of anything going wrong.
Yeah. Okay, cool. And what is your, what kind of aspect of biology are you mainly interested in, or what's your kind of, this will be a 2-year program, so you get a flavour for a number of different things. But what kind of are you thinking of long term, or do you have any idea of what you might like?
I really like to work somewhere in oncology or
Okay.
something like that. I have always had an interest in kind of development and research into the treatments and how to not prevent, but help.
So how to possibly diagnose
Yeah.
different types of cancers and that.
Yeah.
So oncology, so you're working a lot with tissue. So you've done a little bit of tissue work so far with your acid fast stain, different stains like that. So that's kind of down the more med lab science kind of route then. Yeah. So you get it work in hospital lab possibly, or research in oncology. Okay, very good. That sounds like you have a good plan, all right. So I suppose there's hundreds of people applying for this position. So why should we pick you over everyone else? What's your unique points?
I think I have such a great interest in it. I know it's something that I definitely do want a career in,
Okay.
and I don't think it would be something that I'd kind of put half of my energy into. I'll always try my best to give it 100% because I do have a really strong interest in this field.
Okay, excellent. That's grand. And do you have any questions for us?
Just what training would I be getting in the 2 years?
Yeah, so you'd be designated a mentor in each sector that you work in. You'd have rotation probably each 6 months. So say for example within cell culture, which is would apply to oncology as well, where you can grow cancer cell lines to see how they act. You'd be taught all the different steps and stages in that until you were fully able to do it yourself. And you get a very comprehensive training in each part of your each new area that you went to. So you'd have a bit of an idea, by the end of it, kind of what you're interested in. So graduate programs are a good way if you're not 100% sure, but you sound like you have a plan anyway. So that's basically it.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
cool.
fine. Yeah.
Well done.
Thanks.
Great stuff.